How to fix Instagram filters. Hello guys, if you have any glitch or problem with the filters or the effects on Instagram, this video is gonna be helping you a lot. So just keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is you need just open a settings page on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps, I'm sorry, go to the apps, and then here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Just search for Instagram like this and click on it, and then right here click on the force stop option, and then go to the notifications management. Make sure to disable the notifications and enable them again like this, and then go back, click on the permissions, make sure that the camera permissions is enabled, and go back again, click on the storage, click on the clear data and clear cache. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe.